Hey, I wanted to stop by today and briefly talk about how I help women start a daily meditation routine and how I support them throughout their journey. Most women I work with say that they can't focus or um, they don't have the time or they feel like they're bad at meditating. But meditation isn't about perfection. It's about meeting yourself where you're at. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I mean, just accept where you are currently, have compassion for yourself, and understand your limitations without judgment, which we all find hard to do. We make the slightest mistake and we feel like giving up. But, um, but meditation, you just have to be more compassionate um, to yourself and understand that it may take a little longer than expected to start a routine or to learn how to focus. But I wanted to discuss in this video the method that I use to help women um, cultivate a meditation practice that they can stick to. So before I get into that method that I use, let me just tell you who I am. My name is Tia, and or Atia, either one is fine. And my mission is to create a safe space where Black women over 40 can cultivate and maintain a consistent meditation routine, just helping them to reduce stress, find peace within, because we all know that we have a lot going on and sometimes we need to center ourselves and get focused again, and to reclaim your power. Too many times, we give of ourselves without expecting anything in return. So, you know, meditation can help with just reducing stress and just finding that peace within again. So now let me get back to the method that I use when um, creating a meditation routine for a client. So, numerous times I've spoken to women who want to start a meditation routine, but either they have difficulty sitting still, they don't know how to start, and they find it difficult just to focus when they do start. So this is why I came up with the peace, yes, peace framework to uh, get clients into having a consistent meditation routine. So with the peace framework, the peace stands for purpose. I encourage my clients to first define why. What is your why? Why do you want to start meditating? Knowing your why, when you start to stray or get off focus, you can always come back to that why. Is it stress relief? Is it peace? Is it clarity? Or is it something else? It could be anything. You want to get reconnected with your intuition. It could be um, you want to learn how to manage anger. It could be anything. Just always know what your why is, and that P is for purpose. What is your purpose? Why do you want to start meditating? Knowing your purpose just keeps you motivated. So the next letter in the framework is E, and E is for ease. Meditation shouldn't feel like a struggle. Um, it should feel like it comes to you naturally. So with the E, I help you create a practice that feels natural and doable, not something where you feel like you have to stop your whole day to do. It should feel natural. It can occur when you're about to go to sleep or before you start your day in the morning. And the A is for awareness. You don't have to be silent or just silence your thoughts. You have to learn how to shift them and relate to them and look at them from the outside and don't judge them. So the A is for awareness. Be aware of your thoughts and be aware of how you process them. The C is for consistency. Um, with consistency, just small, regular moments of meditation create a real change, whether you realize it or not. Just doing it daily, not for long sessions, starting off small. You'll see the change over time. And lastly, E is for effort, because meditation isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself, you know, being there, putting in the effort. Even if it's a minute, take a minute out of your day just to sit and gather your thoughts, because the way the world is now, there are things that are affecting us that we don't even realize it. So just being mindful of your breath, and sitting still for a minute can show that you're making progress. So throughout this process, I guide my clients step by step so that meditation isn't is something that they look forward to. So um, it feels more like, you can't wait to meditate, as opposed to something that you're forcing yourself to do. So if you're ready to get started, just leave the word peace in the comments below, and, you know, think about ways that you can start to incorporate just small meditations into your day, just to help you, you know, cope and find peace within, and, take that moment to observe your breaths. So if you wanted to start meditating, or you are interested in learning more, again, drop peace in the comments. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.